Hey guys, what's up? What's happening? We have just arrived in Sri Lanka earlier today, and we're at a place called tuk-tukrental.com. Yes, believe it or not, we are going to be renting a tuk-tuk for our time here in Sri Lanka. So 2 weeks of lots of fun in the sun. They're going to show us how it's done. I'm going to learn how to drive it shortly, so I will talk you through it. They're a super professional company and it's been seamless from beginning to the end. So I'll talk you through it in a minute. Let's go and check out how this all happens. I'm super excited. So first up, you'll watch a 20-minute video to familiarize yourself with the process.
Have a chance to ask some final questions of some of our staff here, and then you'll do a final inspection of your vehicle, and that will take around 10 minutes.
Just a heads up guys, you'll also need an international driver's license, and the team will arrange your permit to drive the tuk-tuk. Next, the team will hand you over to the instructor. He will brief you on all the documents, technical and mechanical side of the tuk-tuk. The rear end of the vehicle is where the engine is located. Checking your oil daily is vital. The wonderful team will provide you with a full tank of fuel, so remember to be courteous and return it back the same. Under the seat is where your spare tire, jack and extra fuses are stored in case of any issues on the road. Next, your instructor will show you how to start and operate your machine before your driving lesson. Ooh! Now, it's your turn to jump into the hot seat. Your instructor will give you all the necessary tips on what you should and shouldn't do on the road. Once you're both confident, you're on your merry way. Have fun and drive safely. If you're keen to book, use our discount coupon in the description to save you some cash on your travels. Alright guys, so the things that you need to check on your tuk-tuk before you embark on a new journey every day. These are the ones that I'm going to talk you through. First one, you have to check your engine oil. So we unlock it at the back here. Okay, and then you have to twist out the oil cap, check the oil levels. So you guys can see here, it's still fairly okay, above low. Maybe need to top up soon. Next up, check all three of your tires, make sure they're fully pumped. Don't have any abrasions, this one is good. Perfect. And the last one, also perfect. And the last step, come with me over here. So this is your brake fluid over here, if you can come in and see. This is your brake fluid, just make sure that it's fully topped up. You can see there it's on the max, so that's perfect. Alright guys, and those are the things that you need to check before you embark on your journey on your tuk-tuk throughout Sri Lanka or wherever you happen to be traveling. Good luck, stay safe out there. If you're keen to book, use our discount coupon in the description to save you some cash on your travels. Guys, this company was absolutely amazing. We found them super professional and helpful. And by the way, if you do experience any issues on the road, they have a hotline you can call for assistance. So, what are you waiting for? Book now with the link below. Congratulations, you made it to the end of our video. Thanks for watching guys. Please smash the like button if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe for more videos from us. Safe travels.